Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. And if you're here for the first time, I am Melda. Okay, so today I am preparing for my family curry fish. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. This is fresh hog snapper that I'm cutting up just into little pieces. Okay. Okay, let's begin with the lime juice first. Everything that I'm using will be listed in the description box below for you. Whatever I'm using and you don't want on your fish, just leave it out. My recipes are not gospel, just use them as a guide. God bless you. Jazz up your pot. You know what your stomach can take. I know what mine can take. Oh yeah, let's do it. You're just crusting them up now. Don't fry them all the way. Just to get a little stiffness on the outside. Let's do it. Family, I'm still doing it. I am still doing it. Still bringing the restaurant home. God bless you today. By the way, family, I will be announcing my membership subscription soon. I have applied and this feature is now approved. We got it. Membership. All right now. Yes, it's time for the salt. I didn't add any salt when I was seasoning the fish, so I'm going to work it now, but don't go overboard. Remember, less is always best. So just add a little to taste. And whatever I'm using and you don't want in your curry, just leave it out. God bless you. That's the broth right there. It's too thin for me, so I'm just going to thicken it up a bit with my fufu flour. Feel free to use the cornstarch and water. Continue watching. If you're still here and haven't subscribed us yet, what are you waiting on? Subscription is still free. Please subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell so that you'd be notified whenever Melda 242 is on with something new. Continue watching and God bless you. Now this is what I'm talking about right here. This is the spread. That's some curry chicken for my daughter. She didn't want any fish. And of course, the curry fish, creamy coleslaw, turmeric rice with just a hint of carrots. Oh my word. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. God bless you. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.